everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is related to the new course that we are going to launch very soon. So this particular video is related to the crash course 2.0 for all the students who are struggling with the revision, who are struggling with to have a structured revision for the upcoming examination of CSIR UGC NET Lifesciences examination. So the video, this particular complete course would be dedicated to Mission CSIR June 2023. Yes, so we are starting off with a crash course. We are starting off with a structured crash course for you all on our application of Botany Insider. So if you're new to our channel, if you're new to Botany Insider, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also download the application from the iOS, from the Play Store. Available both for the Android users and also for the Apple users. So talking about this particular course, we are starting off with a crash course 2.0 for the CSIR NET 2023 on 6th of February. Yes, we are starting off with a course in which you'll be getting the live theory classes every single day. We'll be having a very structured revision. It would help you to get through all the small details, get through all the structured revisions at this last time. We have our examination in May and June month as according to the latest notification that we have received. So it's time for us to have a structured revision, to us to have a proper structured complete course to be revised at once. So this course is for you. First thing is, we'll be having theory classes, live and recorded both. Even if you miss out any live class, the recordings would be provided to you. Second, the hard copy PYQ pointers would be given to you at your doorstep. You heard that right. Yes. The PYQ pointers would help you out to revise every single previous year question, every single previous year point that was asked by the CSIR, which would be adding on to your preparation, which would be adding on to your revision. Because most of the time what happens, we tend to skip off like what are the pointers, what are the main things that were asked. So this PYQ pointer notebook would help you out to remember, to recall all these things. PYQ sessions would be held for all the units. In addition, regular doubt sessions would be held for you to clarify any of your doubts, to clarify any of the problem that you are facing. So all the units except for animal physiology would be targeted in this particular course. We'll be having a very structured revision. We'll be having a very complete wholesome revision for all the most important topics which are like most likely to occur in the examination. Tips and tricks to solve out questions, how to remember the things, various mnemonics, etc. Everything would be provided to you. And talking about the pricing for the same, so you'll be getting the complete course in just 1414 amount. You can download the application, get yourself enrolled. The course starts on 6th of February. And we have a very limited number of seats available, so make sure that you grab your seat right away. So this was about for this video. The crash course would help you out for sure. This particular amount you just can pay in installment. Even if you wish, you can use the installment method as well. For 2 months you can pay in installment and get yourself registered, get yourself enrolled in this course. Theory classes, hard copy PYQ pointers, the complete notebook would be provided to you at your doorstep. PYQ sessions would be held, doubt sessions would be conducted, various tips and tricks would be shared to you, how to revise, how to recall, everything in a structured manner would be provided to you in a single area. So make sure, do not lose this opportunity. Grab this opportunity right away and get yourself enrolled. So this was for this particular video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. In addition, we have an ongoing course that is targeting the June 2023. It's a full course that we are having. So if you wish, you can enroll in the full course, or if you wish to have the revision, you can enroll in the crash course for that matter. Okay, so this was about for this particular video. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and also get yourself enrolled in this crash course 2.0 available to you at very minimum prices. So thank you for watching. Good luck and see you on the course which starts on 6th of February. Bye everyone. Take care.